ANSARI. Today's our topic is linear equation in two variables, practice set 1.4. Solve the following simultaneous equation. Now a upon b, I write upon a upon b, so I can write in this way a multiplied by 1 upon b. I write c upon d, so I can write in this way c multiplied by 1 upon d. And c multiplied by 1, so again it will become c upon d. A multiplied by this one to a upon b. So a upon b, a upon b will become a multiplied by 1 upon b, c multiplied by 1 upon d. Again multiply करेंगे तो it will become c upon d, it will become a upon b. Similarly, we can put 10 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y. 10 multiplied by in this way. A multiplied by 1 upon b, 10 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y plus 2 multiplied by 1 upon x minus y is equal to 4. This is our equation number 1. And 15 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y minus 5 multiplied by 1 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is our equation number 2. Now we have two equations, 1 upon x plus y. Now we have two equations, 1 upon x plus y. 10 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y plus 2 multiplied by 1 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 multiplied by 1 upon x plus y minus 5 multiplied by 1 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. Now see here, this is 1 upon x plus y and this is 1 upon x plus y. 1 upon x plus y and 1 upon x plus y. This is 1 upon x minus y and this is 1 upon x minus y. Now let this is 1 upon x plus y, this is 1 upon x plus y. So let 1 upon x plus y is equal to n and 1 upon x minus y is equal to n. Now substitute 1 upon m in place of 1 upon x plus y. So 10 n plus 2n is equal to 4. I put m in place of 1 upon x plus y and put n in place of 1 upon x minus y. So it will become 10m plus 2n is equal to 4. This is our equation number 3. Now 15m minus 5m is equal to minus 2. This is equation number 4. Now we have two equations, 10m plus 2n is equal to 4 and 15m minus 5n is equal to minus 2. Now we have to cancel m or n. In this case, this is 2m, this is minus 5m. या तो m को कैंसिल करना है या तो n को, दोनों में से किसी एक को भी have to cancel. अब in this case इसका 2 यहाँ ट्रांसफर कर देंगे और इसका 5 यहाँ ट्रांसफर कर देंगे. मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 1, 5 को उठाकर यहाँ से यहाँ लगा देंगे तो मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2. Equation 4 is multiplied by 2 and equation 3 is multiplied by 5. 5 को शिफ्ट किए थर्ड में और 2 को शिफ्ट किए इक्वेशन नंबर 4 में. इक्वेशन 4 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किए, 2 को यहाँ ट्रांसफर कर दिए, 5 को यहाँ ट्रांसफर कर दिए. इक्वेशन 2 को 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किए, इक्वेशन 3 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई किए एंड इक्वेशन 4 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किए. नाउ वी गेट द आंसर 5 times 50. 50m plus 5 2s are 10. 10m, 5 2s are 10 and 5 4s are 20. This is our equation number 3. 2 15s are 30. 30m 5 2s are 10. It will become 10n is equal to 2 2s are minus 4. This is equation number 4. This is plus 10n and this is minus 10n. Add equation 3 and 4. Add equation 3 and 4. Now 50m plus 10n is equal to 20. This is equation number 3. And 30m minus 10n is equal to minus 4. This is equation number 4. Add equation 3 and 4. I add both equation 3 and 4 because the signs are different. अगर दोनों साइन अलग अलग होंगी, टर्म कैंसिल हो रहा है, तो वी राइट ऐड. अगर दोनों साइन सेम होंगी तो वी राइट सबट्रैक्ट. अब प्लस 10m minus 10m cancel, 50 and 3 it will become 80m is equal to 20 minus 4 it will become 16, cancel by 80, therefore 80 cancel, m is equal to 16 1 the 16, 16 5 the 80, m is equal to 1 upon 5. This is the answer. Now we have two equations, 50m plus 10n is equal to 20, equation number 3, and 30m minus 10n is equal to minus 4. This is equation number 4. We can substitute the value of m 1 upon 5 in any equation. Third में भी substitute कर सकते हैं and fourth में भी substitute कर सकते हैं. Now I am substituting the value of m is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation number 3. Substitute m is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation 3. The equation 3 is 50m plus 10n is equal to 20. This is equation 3. 50 multiplied by 1 upon 5 is equal to 10n is equal to 20. 5 1 the 5, 5 10 the 50. It will become 10 plus 10n. It will become 10 plus 10n is equal to 20. 10n is equal to 20 plus 10 को शिफ्ट कर देंगे तो it will become minus 10. 10n is equal to 10. Cancel by both the side 10 and 10 cancel. Therefore n is equal to 1. Now we have two values. n is equal to 1 upon 5 and n is equal to 1. We have to find out the value of x and y. हमें x and y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, m and n की वैल्यू फाइंड नहीं करनी. That is why resubstitute. Now resubstitute 1 upon n की जगह अगेन हम ले लेंगे 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5 and 1 upon n. I substitute 1 upon x minus y in place of n is equal to 1. We can take 1 also. अगर 1 है फ्रैक्शन में 1 लगा सकते हैं. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई x प्लस y को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो x प्लस y इज इक्वल टू 5 1 the 5. दिस इज इक्वेशन नंबर 5 and x minus y is equal to 1 1 the 1. This is equation number 6. Now we have equation number 5 and 6. This is plus y and this is minus y. Both the terms we can cancel easily. जब plus y minus y easily cancel हो जाएगा तो we write here add equations 5 and 6. Add equation 5 and 6. X plus y is equal to 5. This is equation number 5. X minus y is equal to 1. This is equation number 6. Plus y minus y cancel, it will become 2x is equal to 6. Cancel by 2 both the side. Therefore 2 1 the 2 2 3 the 6. X is equal to 3. अब substitute the value of x in an equation. तो substitute x is equal to 3 in equation 5th. Equation 5th is x plus y is equal to 5. The value of x is 3. 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 3. Y is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of x is 3. So x comma y, the value of x is 3 and the value of y is 2. So the answer is x. The value of 3 comma 2. This is our answer. Thank you.